In Kajabi, bumps and upsells are strategies to increase sales by offering additional products or services to customers during the purchase process. Today, I'll show you how you can use these tools and how they can boost your sales and give your customers even more value. First, we'll tackle order bumps, and then we'll move on to upsells and downsells. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at maximizing your revenue with these features. But before we get started, a quick heads up. If you're new to Kajabi or thinking about switching to it, check out the special affiliate link below the video. You'll get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you'll get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll get a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and it's easy to get lost, but in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that? Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. With that in mind, let's get started. All right, let's start with those order bumps. Think of order bumps like those impulse buys at the checkout counter. You know, like grabbing a pack of gum or a magazine while waiting in line. On Kajabi, an order bump is a small additional offer that you present to your customers at checkout. Let's say you're selling an online course. You can offer a related ebook, a word book, or even a mini course as an order bump. It's a great way to add value to your customers while increasing your average order value. Now let's head to our Kajabi dashboard. First, click on Products in the left-hand menu. Then select the product you want to add in order to bump to. Let's choose our Cooking for Beginners course, for example. Next, go to the Offers tab. Here we'll create a new offer or edit an existing one. I'm going to edit an existing offer. Now, scroll down until you see the Order Bump section. Click Add Order Bump. For our cooking masterclass, let's offer a secret tips ebook as an order bump. Set the price, let's say 10 bucks, and add a compelling description, something like boost your cooking skills. You have never seen anything like this. You can also add an image to make it more eye-catching. Here's a pro tip. Make sure the order bump offer is relevant and kind of in sync with the main thing the person will be purchasing. This increases the chances that your customer will take it. And that's it. Our order bump is set up and ready to go. Every time someone checks out the masterclass, they'll see this special offer right before they complete their purchase. They always have the choice to either include it in their payments or not. Simple, right? Now, let's look at a real-life scenario. Imagine you're running an online fitness business. Your main product is a comprehensive 12-week workout program. As an order bump, you could offer a nutrition guide or a set of workout playlists. These small add-ons can make a big difference in your overall sales. Now let's talk about upsells and downsells. Upsells are offers you make to your customers after they've made a purchase, usually for a higher priced product or additional services. Downsells are similar, but they're usually lower priced alternatives if the customer declines an upsell. Upsells are fantastic because they allow you to offer even more value to your customers. And if they're already excited about your product, they're more likely to consider additional offers. Back to our Kajabi dashboard, click on Offers again. This time we'll create an upsell for our cooking masterclass. Let's use the Advanced Cooking Techniques course as our upsell. Click on the offer and scroll down to the post-purchase section. Here, click Upsell, select the product, Advanced Cooking Recipes, and set the price. Let's say $100. And add a catchy headline and a description. Something like, take your skills to the next level with advanced tricks, and don't forget to upload an eye-catching image. Make it clear how this upsell will benefit your customers and enhance their experience. Now for a downsell. Let's say the customer declines the advanced course. We can offer them a different product, like bite off a little more than you can chew. No worries. Our Cooking Quick Start Guild, packed with tips and tricks to spice up your culinary skills for 20 bucks. Go back to the post-purchase section and click Add Downsell. Choose the product, set the price, and add a description. Here's another real life example. Imagine you're selling an online cooking course. After the customer purchases the course, you can upsell a monthly membership to a cooking club where they'll get new recipes and tips every month. If they decline, you can downsell an exclusive recipe book at a lower price. This way, whether the customer decides to go for the upsell or not, they'll still see another valuable offer that might interest them. And there you have it. We've set up both an upsell and a downsell. This way you can keep your customers engaged and offer them more value even after their initial purchase. Don't forget, whether it's for upsells or downsells, to always include that they'll not be getting the order at that price again because it's a discount. With these tools, you can increase your sales and provide even more value to your customers. Remember, the key is to offer products that complement each other and enhance the customer's experience. Don't forget, if you don't have a Kajabi account and you'd like to try it out, you'll find a link in the description box for a 30-day free trial and access to my Jumpstart course, which teaches you everything about launching your own business. Plus, you'll get access to my high-quality templates at no extra cost. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or valuable insights to share about Kajabi, please share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.